Essays and Killer Bees is a compilation album comprising several singles as well as B-sides by the English band Dodgy, released in 1998. Track listing. All songs written by Dodgy unless noted. Every Single Day 401, non-album single, Nigel Clark. Staying Out for the Summer, Summer 95, 307, from Homegrown. Water Under the Bridge 344, from the Dodgy album. Good Enough 401, from Free Peace Suite. Melodies Haunt You 341, from Homegrown. Big Brown Moon 325, B-side of Lovebirds. Found You 455, from Free Peace Suite. Self-Doubt 351, B-side of In a Room. In a Room 417, from Free Peace Suite. Making the Most of 405, from Homegrown. If You're Thinking of Me 527, from Free Peace Suite. Lovebirds 356, from the Dodgy album. Get Off Your High Horse 440, B-side of Staying Out for the Summer. So Let Me Go Far 407, from Homegrown. Grassman 619, from Homegrown. Ain't No Longer Asking 511, from Free Peace Suite. The Elephant 526, B-side of the Black and White single. References.